Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and unique tips and tips for your crocheting so that you can enjoy your unique crocheting. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video about updated crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bottle cover. In this video we will show you some unique and new crochet bottle cover designs so that you can check the new designs with the updated words. Crochet bottle cover offers several benefits including insulations, keeps drinks hot or cold for longer, protection, prevents bottle from scratching or shattering, grip, provides a secure hold reducing slippage, style, adds a decorative touch to your beverage, personalization, choose colors, patterns and size to match your style, easy to clean, machine washable and dryable. If you think your bottle cover is getting dirty, so don't worry about that. Just remove that bottle cover, put it in your washing machine, add some Excel or Brights, something like that, so you can get the clean bottle cover very easily and very urgent for you. Durable, long lasting and resistance to wear and tear. Eco-friendly, replaces disposable sleeves and reduce waste. Customizable, fit various bottle size and shapes. Makes a great gift. Perfect for friends, family or co-workers. If you are thinking that you need to give some gift to your special friend, so we have a beautiful idea for you. You can make some crochet bottle cover by your own hands. Then you can fix the date and time for your friend's special occasion, so you can give him very special gift. So I hope and I promise also he will never forget your such type of beautiful and unique gift. He will always remember your gift. Support small businesses. Buy from independent crochet designer or makers. Develop skills. Making crochet bottle covers improves your crochet skills. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your unique and beautiful friends also can watch such type of unique video. Unique conversation starter adds a touch of personality to your beverage versatility, suitable for water, coffee, tea or any other drink. Crochet bottle cover brings a touch of warmth, style and practically to your daily beverage, making them a wonderful accessories for anything. Reduce condensations and sweating, keeps hand dry and comfortable. Prevent bottle from getting stuck together. Easy to store and transport. Can be made with recycled materials. The sustainability, which I forgot to tell you about the sustainability. Really, this is a thing you can make very unique and beautiful design with very sustainable materials. You don't need to go anywhere to purchase from the highest rated markets. Just take the cheapest, and you can make by yourself, by your hand also. Can made with recycled materials, supports sustainable living. The thing which I discussed before about that adds a touch of handmade charm. Can be customized with names or initials. Yes, really, it's also very amazing thing which I need to tell you about that. If you have some beloved friend and you want to write his name or your bottle cover, it's the chance to write that. So you can write his name, his or her name at your bottle cover very easily. So you can find the color scheme and design very uniquely also with the name of your beloved friend. Makes a thoughtful gift for auto friends. Perfect for camping, hiking, or picnics. Keeps drinks fresh and flavorful. Protects bottles from extreme temperatures. Easy to care for and maintain. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye.